Not here, next one. Dang, they got goodies. What's up guys, Christopher Polvoorde. We are back with another episode and today is something special. It's not going to be like our traditional ones of vlog style, but today we are here at Mason Motorsports. I've been hiding this behind the scenes for a long time now, but cat's out of the bag now. We are building a Spec Trophy Truck, which a Spec Trophy Truck is a vehicle designed to go through the desert extremely fast. It's pretty wild. I've been dreaming of this ever since I was a little kid, so to finally get here, it's just one step down below from a real trophy truck, which is fully unlimited. Our Spec Trophy Truck, the only thing that separates it, it has a smaller motor, but all the suspension, the tires, everything else is the same, so you can pretty much hit anything you feel like. These guys at Mason Motorsports, they've been building a truck for the past couple months. They do beautiful work, as you will see in 1 second once we go check it out, but I'm so excited. They're building us a roller chassis, which means the thing will pretty much roll out of here, but it doesn't have a motor, doesn't have a tranny, stuff like that. So we're gonna finish that in-house. My crew chief, Jimmy, he's ready. He's been getting ready to take this thing from them so we can finish it, and our first race is gonna be Vegas to Reno. But enough talking, you guys will learn a ton more about this. Be sure to hit that subscribe button because you're not gonna wanna miss. We're gonna have all types of videos on the build of this, and then once we start running it, there's gonna be tons of cool content because this thing is pretty much insane. So let's go check it out. Everything on this thing is like just giant. I mean, these things weigh like 5 pounds each. As you can see, this thing is absolutely beautiful and it's huge. Like I said, these things are built to go across the desert. 120, just take any beating you can imagine. I don't know, it doesn't seem real. This thing is like, I've been dreaming of this forever. It's just like, everything's so perfect here. And did you check out all this? All legit carbon fiber. And look how beautifully it's laid. It's not like some janky carbon fiber. This stuff is like, I'm pretty sure everyone who works here is also an artist because these welds and everything is just perfect. I'm gonna go ahead and roll some clips of these beauties. What do you think?
I think it's pretty wild. It's a lot bigger than the normal Pro Light. Like 3 times the size.
I don't know if we have room in the shop.
We'll definitely have to move some things around, for sure.
The new office is definitely one that I'm gonna be stoked to go to work in. This thing is beautiful and just perfectly clean, just seamless, simple, and yeah, I'm just mind blown. Also, something that's a lot different for me is now I will have someone riding with me, a navigator. They're gonna be, you know, give me GPS points, handling all the radios, monitoring everything while I just hold on and try to keep the thing straight. All right, guys, as you can see, that was absolutely insane. I'm beyond excited. I wish I could show it more on camera, but like of just how like I feel inside. This thing is insane. I've been itching to tell you guys, so be sure to drop that subscribe button. You're not gonna miss. We're gonna have build updates once it's in our shop non-stop. Jimmy's gonna be doing a ton in-house, and these next couple weeks are gonna be pretty chaotic. But you heard it here, we're racing Vegas to Reno, gonna be our first race. I'm super excited. We got all kinds of new sponsors coming on board and some really cool things happening that I cannot wait to show you. So drop a comment down below. How do you think I'm gonna do? This Spec Trophy Truck class is insanely competitive. All right, see you next week.